So now what can we do? We can try to see what happens if we try to access that. What do you think?
Definitely. Give it a go. And then give it a sip.
Yeah, bring me that whiskey. So basically,
Whiskey in the
since
jarro.
that's our internal server, I'll need to just make a quick hack in our host file.
So what we have to do, because it's internal server, you have to go to your C drive.
Because we don't want to use the external DNS or anything like that. Just as a on a dev box, you might want to play around with the
template and
with a template without configuring DNS, so you can easily hack it by going to into Windows. I think it was.
But also I want to mention, we will show actually when you have on your private network the folder, how to move that folder to the main.
Yeah. So Windows System 32 drivers etc. And here we have a host file which we want to edit. We already have the WP1, WP2, WP3, which are automatically pointing to our internal dev box. So we'll just add here wp10.chris.ie. Save that file.
Make sure you save it.
And to edit this file, keep in mind that you need to be in administrator mode. So if you're starting your if you are trying to edit in Notepad, then right click on a Notepad first, run it as administrator, then go to that location of the host file, then open it and edit it. Otherwise it won't let you save it. Or use Notepad++, which automatically allows you to elevate to the administrator rights and then save it.
Which we strongly suggest to do the easiest way.
Great tool.
Okay, we have
so that's done. So just to make sure that it works as expected, we can go to command line and ping wp10.chris.ie, and as you can see, it's responding to ping, so our hack works.
Fantastic. And here we go.
So now let's see what's gonna happen if
we access that at the main on private network.
I guess that will not work, and I'll tell you why. See, site cannot be reached. Interesting. Okay, but it says that name not resolved. It means that we need to probably restart our Google Chrome.
I would suggest to open a different browser.
Yeah, it's okay. wp10.chris.ie.
Fantastic.
As you can see, something works, but I don't think that's what we expect.
WordPress.
Yeah, that means that
we can access the server.
Yeah, we can access the server, but server does not know what's wp10.chris.ie, so it's redirecting you to the default page.
Yeah.
And why it's happening? It's happening because we did not activate that site.
Okay.
So it is in sites available, but if we will go one directory up, here is something like sites enabled. And as you can see, WP10 is not there, and that's why it does not work.
How can we actually move WP10
proper way is to use the command, which is A2N from enable site, and now we need to type in WP10,
and
as you can see,
that's done.
That's done. Now
Fantastic.
it tells us that we need to reload the configuration.
Okay.
So it's a service Apache reload, and service failed. Why does it fail? I have an idea.
Yeah.
But if you are curious how to troubleshoot that, you can just run, let's say, this command, which is suggesting.
Okay.
I'll tell you now that we didn't create a log directories, that's why it's failing. Let's double check that. As you can see, no such a file directory cannot access directory wp10/logs,
logs. Yes.
which is defined in that config file. So all we need to do to fix that, it's just simple to create that directory.
Fantastic. So if you can create the directory, so we can actually enjoy the accessing the domain and the WordPress site.
Now let's try again. So I just created a directory. We still might need to change the permissions on that one, but let's see if it works or not.
Okay.
It worked. Cool.
Fantastic.
So now let's go to our browser, refresh.
Woo-hoo!
Awesome.
Here we are.
Here we have
WordPress
a
website.
configuration.
That was really good one. Please don't forget to subscribe for our new trainings.